Welcome to Instant Cooking. Today I am making little spicy and very tasty dal kolhapuri. For this we need soaked Bengal gram. I have soaked it for an hour. Red chili powder, turmeric powder, ginger and garlic, onions sliced, salt, coriander leaf, tomato, cumin and coriander seed powder, some whole spices, star anise, green cardamom, clove, black pepper, bay leaf and cinnamon. So firstly, in a pan add 2 to 3 teaspoons of refined oil, and on very low flame add whole spices, 3 to 4 clove, 5-7 black pepper, approximately 1 inch of cinnamon, a small piece of star anise, 2 green cardamom and 1 bay leaf. Mix it. So on very low flame cook the whole spices for 40 to 50 seconds. So while our whole spices is cooking, we will make a masala. For this, take a grinder, add 1 small piece of bay leaf, half an inch of cinnamon, 3 to 4 clove, approximately 10 black pepper, 1 green cardamom, add 1 medium size sliced onion, 10 clove of garlic and half an inch of ginger. Now add the dry masala, 1 teaspoon of coriander and cumin seed powder, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 heaped teaspoon of red chili powder, add little water and grind it to a fine paste. So our masala is ready and our whole spice is also cooked. So I will add 3 medium size sliced onion, approximately 200 grams of chopped onion. Now you can increase the flame, mix it and cook the onion till brown. To cook onion fast, you can add a pinch of salt, mix it. You have to cook onion till golden brown. It will take around 2 to 3 minutes. Now you can see our onion is golden brown. So we will add the masala we have just made. Now mix it well and cook for another 2 to 3 minutes. You have to cook masala on medium flame. Don't cook it on high flame. So the masala cook properly. So on medium flame, cook it for 2 to 3 minutes and cook this masala till oil separates. Now you can see our masala is properly cooked. Oil is separated. So now I will add Bengal gram, approximately 200 grams soaked Bengal gram. Mix it well and cook it for 1 to 2 minutes. So our Bengal gram is cooking for 2 minutes. Now I will take medium sized tomato and grind them and make a fresh tomato puree. And now we will add the fresh tomato puree into the dal. Mix it well and cook till extra moisture of tomato will evaporate. It will take around 2 minutes. Now add salt to taste. Mix it and cook it for 2 minutes. Stir continuously on high flame. Now add water, around 300 ml of water. Mix it well. Keep stirring and bring it to a boil. Now take a pressure cooker, transfer this dal kolhapuri to pressure cooker and now pressure cook it for 3 whistles around 5 to 7 minutes, and then we will serve it, garnish it with coriander leaf, and your little lengthy but very tasty, very delicious dal kolhapuri is ready. So must try this recipe, and for daily one interesting recipe, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.